I just want to trust the court on the credits, the show credits.
All right, that's fine. We'll get to that. I appreciate everyone else's patience. We're just getting it going there. Welcome to the 196th District Court. Court is in session. This is cause number 2019 CR 11032, State of Texas versus Kyle Edwards. We're here today for a first amended motion to revoke community supervision. We're conducting this hearing via video conference using the Zoom application. We're also using YouTube to live stream the proceedings to keep the hearing public. Time now is 12:28 p.m. on the 27th day of July, 2021. These proceedings are official. They're on the record and they're being recorded by the official court reporter. Counsel and all present are instructed to act as though you are in court. All are instructed not to record the proceedings. Have the attorneys make appearances, starting with the state of Texas, please.
Lindsay Shaw for the state.
Oscar Adonatis on behalf of Mr. Edwards.
Sir, are you the same Kyle Edwards who was placed on community supervision on February 21st, 2020 for assault of a peace officer? Is that you, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
And state, do we have an agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. For the defendant's plea of true to violated condition number 5, 15F, and 15AA, the state is in agreement to waive the remaining violations. And for that plea of true, the agreement is that his sentence be reformed and he be sentenced to 2 years TDC.
Mr. Hernandez, is that your understanding of the agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
And Mr. Edwards, is that your understanding of the agreement as well?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, Mr. Edwards, if I agree to do this, I'm going to ask that you waive your right to appeal this hearing. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you agree with that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some documents using share screen. Oh, I need to ask, Mr. Hernandez, do you agree as far as waiving the right to appeal as well?
We do, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, I'm using share screen. I'm going to show you a document, Mr. Edwards. It's called the defendant's consent to appear by video conference, and I'm using my cursor to circle around electronic signatures. It's yours.
Yes, Your Honor.
Signing this, you're telling me you understand normally we conduct hearings like this live and in court, but that you're agreeing to do this hearing by video conference. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. I approve the consent and make it part of the record. Now I'm going to show you another document. It's called the First Amended Motion to Revoke Community Supervision. Let me scroll through because it's 2 pages, but are you familiar with this document?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you discuss this and go over it with Mr. Hernandez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Hernandez, do we waive reading of the motion?
We do, Your Honor.
We get out of share screen. Mr. Edwards, to the violations listed on that motion that you violated condition number 5, condition number 15F, and condition number 15AA, how do you plead? True or not true?
True.
You understand, just by pleading true, you can find that the violations are true and revoke your community supervision.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you still wish to plead true?
Yes, Your Honor.
Find that the violations are true. I grant the state's motion. You hereby revoke, sir. Counsel, is there any legal reason as to why your client cannot be sentenced today?
Oh, Your Honor.
Being no legal reason, according to your new agreement with the state, sir, I'm going to reform your sentence to 2 years in the Texas Department of Criminal Justice. I don't give you credit for time served. Sir, this is a revocation of your community supervision where you have waived your right to appeal. I'm making a certification of this for the record. I'll provide a copy of the certification to your attorney to provide to you. Is there anything else from either side in regards to the motion or the sentencing?
Not from the state, Your Honor.
Judge, I just want to address the court on the credits that you please.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Your Honor, Mr. Edwards was arrested back on July 9th of 2020 and pursuant to the MTR. He's been in continuous custody throughout that time. However, Judge, in reviewing the credits that the clerk's office show, there is a gap of April 15, 2021 through July 12, 2021. And that is when he was physically transferred to the state hospital. And Mr. Edwards was found to be an agreed incompetency, and that goes back to April, and he didn't transfer before then. So we're asking the court indulgence if you give him credit for those days where he was physically at the state hospital during the time that he was in custody for this MTR, Judge.
So he was transferred to the hospital by the sheriff's office. Is that correct?
Absolutely, and he did not return until July 12th, 2021.
I'll give him credit for that as well.
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
All
Your Honor.
right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. Good luck to you, Mr. Edwards. This